So I've been visiting the state of California recently, and even more specifically the city of Los Angeles. A city where I have been once, but I didn't really get to see that much at all. But luckily, at my second time in LA, I was able to discover the city a bit, and even more specifically the area of Venice. We stayed at a beautiful old, kind of messy but still very beautiful building right in Venice from the 1920s, I guess. And it happened to be in a beautiful romantic area in Venice. But let me tell you, this area was incredibly beautiful. It's that kind of area you would imagine if you come to LA and just have this romanticized version of like Californication kind of vibes in LA. This is exactly where we were staying, and I wanted to share everything that I discovered so far in Venice, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. For everyone who's new to the channel, my name is Tobias. I'm a 30-year-old freelance photographer based out of Cologne, Germany. I shoot a lot of commercial stuff, but also a lot of street photography and free projects with different models, so a lot of portraiture also. No matter if it's digital or film, I like both, and I kind of like to keep that balance between both, especially when it comes to digital and film, but also between commercial and just free work. Work that I would also shoot pretty much when there was no social media, like photos that I would pretty much take for myself. And only for myself. But these are also that kind of photos that I happen to like the most, and that I want to share with you guys in this one. So if you're interested in that kind of photography, please consider subscribing to the channel. And without further ado, let's jump right into that beautiful sunny morning in Venice with my friend Francesca, who was filming, and with my beautiful Leica M6 and some Portra 800 and 400. Yeah, hope you like this one.
you.